Greetings smartwatch fans! Babalikan ulit natin ang Redmi Watch 5 Active, ang pinaka-latest na smartwatch from Redmi na merong affordable na price and at the same time loaded ito ng health, fitness at communication feature. So isa sa mga main feature ng smartwatch na ito ay yung sports function. At sa video na ito, yan ang ating alamin. Titingnan natin isa-isa. Check natin kung ano nga ba yung mga loaded na sports function sa ating Redmi Watch 5 Active. So kung interesado kayong bumili ng Redmi Watch 5 Active at meron kayong paboritong sports and gusto nyo malaman kung available ba sa Redmi Watch 5 Active, panoorin nyo ang video na ito. Okay, start tayo. Tingnan natin ang available ng mga sports sa Redmi Watch 5 Active. And still, ganun pa rin, hinihikayat namin kayo na mag-subscribe, like, at share sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-main menu. Press nyo lang yung power button. Dito yon sa gilid. Tap on workouts. So ito yung mga preliminary sports function sa ating Redmi Watch 5 Active. Meron tayong walking, outdoor running, freestyle, hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill. Usually, ito siguro yung mga popular na sports function. Okay, jump rope. At kung gusto nyo pang explore yung additional na sports, tap lang sa more. So, meron tayo ditong outdoor activities, training, dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter, recreational sports, card and board games, at may other sports tayo. Dito sa outdoor activities, may trekking, trail run, rock climbing, skateboarding, at iba pa. Okay? So, papakita natin sa inyo bawat isa. Paragliding, BMX, race walk, roller skating, skateboarding. So, ilan meron? 10 sports function. Sa training, medyo marami. Meron tayong 40 items. So, may yoga, elliptical, rower, stair climber, stepper, spinning, may core training din, flexibility, may gymnastic, ano pa ba, strength. So, ito sa mga nag-gym. Okay? Sa may dumbbell, wall ball, weightlifting. So, tingnan natin. At least 40 sports yung dito sa training. So, meron din tayong parallel bars, step aerobics, battle rope. So, tingnan yung maigi kung nandito ba yung sports function na gusto nyo. Okay? So, before kayo mag-decide na bumili, tingnan nyo muna kung mahilig kayo sa sports. Tingnan yung bawat sports dito para alam nyo kung meron ba na available sa Watch 5 Active o wala. So, meron ditong weightlifting, barbell. So, sa mahilig mag-gym, papalaki ng muscles, meron dito sa training. Okay, may core training, stepper, rower, ano pa ba? Indoor cycling, and yoga. Okay, so meron ding dance. So, mahilig sumayaw. Zumba. May square dancing, belly dance, ballet, street dance. Ayun na, meron tayong Zumba. Folk dance, jazz, Latin, hip-hop, pole dance, breaking, ballroom dance, modern dance, and dance. Ilan bang meron? 14. May combat sports. Sa combat sports, so, Manny Pacquiao kayo. Meron tayong boxing, may wrestling, martial arts, tai chi, muay thai, meron din, may judo, taekwondo, karate, kickboxing, kendo, fencing, at jiu-jitsu. So, sa ball sports, tennis, basketball, ito yung national sports natin, yung kinahiligan, golf, soccer, volleyball, baseball, softball, American football, hockey, table tennis, badminton, cricket, handball, bowling, meron din, squash, Okay, hindi ako familiar dito. May billiards din. Kung mala friend kayo, pwede nyong i-check o i-try. Shuttlecock, beach soccer, sepak takraw, high alay, gate ball, dodge ball. Then, may winter sports din. Snowboarding, skiing. So, kung mag-abroad kayo, so, pwede din to. Meron din. Okay? Hanggang sledding. Then, recreational sports. Ano ba yung mga recreational sports? Archery, darts, horse riding, tag of war, hula hoop, kite flying, meron din. Fishing. So, sa mga anglers, pwede rin. Frisbee, shuttlecock, swinging, somatosensory game, table football, shuffleboard, at e-sports. So, meron din games. Okay? Card and board games, chess, checkers, and bridge and board games. Baka heart rate lang yung minomonitor nito. Calories at heart rate and time. So, yun lang. Okay? And then, meron tayo ditong others. Tingnan natin. Equestrian, athletics, at auto racing. So, sa running, for example, sa outdoor activities, dito na lang tayo. Punta tayo dito. Ito, para sigurado. Sa outdoor running, so, minomonitor nito yung, tingnan natin. Start tayo. Yung pace, time, distance, heart rate, calories, cadence, steps, and yun. Okay, may built-in GPS. Then, pwede kayong makinig ng music habang nag-workout. Okay, and natin. Ayan. And, okay, so that's it sa mga list of sports function ng ating Redmi Watch 5 Active. At before we end, meron din itong automatic sports recognition. Ito sa auto detect. Okay, so pag inactivate nyo to, so hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa isang sports function. For example, walking, automatic. Pag na-detect niya na parang nag-workout kayo, okay, i-record niya kagad. Or mag-activate yung walking sports function. Or pwede rin running, cycling, elliptical, rowing, at jump rope. Okay, so that's it sa ating review ng sports function ng Redmi Watch 5 Active. Hopefully nasagot natin yung katanungan nyo sa mga nag-inquire kung ano nga ba yung mga sports function na included sa ating Redmi Watch 5 Active. So again, support yung YouTube channel natin, Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Like, share, and subscribe.